Yeah, good morning to one and all present here. So this is Professor Mubarak. So today I am going to handle the session hybrid blockchain in ledger technology. So first of all, we want to know what is blockchain. Okay, same as it is via previous classes. I explained about what is blockchain, why we are using, what is the concept and operations of blockchain. So in this latest we come to hybrid blockchain. So hybrid blockchain, it's like a consortium blockchain, but it is not. Hybrid blockchain is the best defined as the combination of private and public blockchain. So blockchain can be classified into two types. One is private and public blockchain. So it has use cases in an organization that neither wants to deploy a private blockchain or public blockchain and simply wants to deploy both worlds best. So example of blockchain, hybrid blockchain. Can you point out or list out few hybrid blockchain models? Yes, Dragon Chain, Sinfin's hybrid blockchain. So these are all the two important examples of hybrid blockchain. So what is the advantage of Dragon Chain and Sinfin's hybrid blockchain? So it's very simple. Works in a closed ecosystem without the need to make everything public. Rules can be changed according to their needs. How the rules can be changed according to their needs? As ever the user and customer satisfaction needs and requirements, it can be alterable. So works in a closed ecosystem is very simple. In software or IT companies, we can't sit in the 1,000-2,000 systems in between. We should work it as a designation in the name of engineer, and we can progress their data progress system. So in this, it is a closed chain ecosystem. So hybrid networks are also immune to 51% of attacks. So what is the 51% of attacks? Because it should be safe and secure, but attacking security and authentication is very important. The privacy also very important. It offers privacy while still connected with public networks. So let us move to the next slide. So in the next slide, it is called as disadvantages. So in the disadvantages, what it is mentioned. So let me move to the slide. Okay. So the disadvantage is what it is given. Not yet completely transparent. Upgrading the hybrid blockchain can be challenged. There is no incentive for participating and contributing to their networks. So in the types of blockchain can be sectored into different types. That is called as public hybrid blockchain and private hybrid blockchain. So what is the difference between public and private? You people know, when we are going to use some encrypted operations and authentications, so for that here we implementing the private blockchain, that is called as private hybrid blockchain. Here want to use it as a platform to share their data to each and everyone. They can receive easily and contribute their response sheet. So for that we should have some certain rules and incentives and public hybrid methodologies which should be adapted to their environment, and it is sustainable for the public users. So let us move to the next slide. So in the next slide, what it is given, what is the difference between rules and incentives? Same as it is the incentives method, we have using various methodologies and techniques. In the technique, so different of targets and operations we are progressing. So here hybrid blockchain plays a vital role to the private users and the public users. So in the public users, how long the data is going to be transferred and how long it is transparent to the users. So we should have some public rules and regulation which it should be adopted and we progress. So this is the method we are using for the blockchain methodology. So let's see, come to the next slide. So in the next slide, let I explain very clear. So we are using the Ethereum tokens, same as it is for that each and Ethereum tokens user needs their satisfaction and quality purpose. So it could be classified into transaction cost, example, and blockchain. So here see the figure out the blockchain, pillars of blockchain. So in the pillars of blockchain, it can be shows the decentralization process, security process, and scalability process. So these are all the importance of important pillars of blockchain. So that's the figure represents. So in that there should be have a triangle forum structure. It is called as security, scalability and decentralization. According to these concepts, your pillars of blockchain will be implemented and work. So each and every blockchain can be concluded into 3 components. So in upcoming classes we can see the conclusion and different pillars and 3 components can be explained. Forthcoming sessions we can see. Thank you soon. Thank you.